Okay, hello student. In your before class we can learn the DES algorithm. DES means data encryption system or structure. In your next topic is triple DES. Triple DES means we can use the 3 times data encryption structure we can use, or system we can use to analyze the information. That one we can call it as a triple DES. In your triple DES why we can use means the speed of executive key, and we can search the something, and we can approach was not a DES completely, but we can change the manner. It lead to the modify the scheme of triple DES. In your triple DES it generate the distributed. It means we can use the, it name shows triple means we can use the 3 keys K1, K2 and the K3 keys we can use. Triple DS means we can use the 3 keys we can use to analyze the algorithm. That one we can call it as a triple DS algorithm. In your triple DS algorithm we can use the 3 keys K1, K2 and the K3 keys. First key we can, this one is the fixed key. Keys, one key we can have a 56 bit of key we can use. So here also we can use the 56 bit, and here also we can use the 56 bit. This one is the stage 1, this one is the stage 2, and this one is the stage 3. Totally we can get the value 56, 56 and 56 of value we can get it. Then we can how to send the information. We can say it now. First we can take what are the information we can send to the sender to a receiver. What are 64 bit of plain text. It means original information we can send. 64 bit of original message we can send. 56 bit of keys we can use. This one is the sub key or secret key. We can call it as a sub key or secret key. This one is the 64 bit of original message. That one we can send it in a 168 bit of plain text we can send. Then here we can 64 bit of plain text original information we can send here. Then what are the information we can send, that one will be changed into ciphertext. Then we can use the key 1 and attacker will be attack here. Then what are the information we can send, it is a not used. Why? Because the information will be not leaked here. Then they will go to next DS reverse ciphertext. They will use, he will use the K2. It means key 2 they will use and check once. Then here also they will not use the reverse hypertext, and here also not get the any information. Then they will go for the K3 information, and here also he not get the any information. Then here we can get the original message. So this one is the 64 bit of ciphertext. Here we can send the original message, here we can got the coded format. This one we can call it as a encryption using the 3 keys. In your decryption using key 3s means, what are the encryption using key 3s we can use, it is the reverse order of this one. This one we can call it as a decryption using 3 keys. Here we can use the DS reverse order. Then they will go to the next K2 and they will go to the K1. It means original plain text they will got. So This one also not as secure to use. Why? Because we can have a 3 keys, means one is not opened, means another one is opened. He will be check 3 keys, one will be opened, means the information will be leak. So the meet in the middle attack, this one is not safe for the network security. Why? Because it is a, we can use the 3 keys and it will be leak any information. We can search the information used to the K1 and we can search the information, means it does not open, means we can use the second K2, then K3. We can use the 3 keys and we can search the information, means it will be, by chance it will be open, means the information will be leak. So triple DES algorithm also not a secure to use the network security. In how we can represent the this ciphertext, how we can represent it in a triple DES algorithm, means we can use the ciphertext, means ciphertext is equal to plain text. We can use the encryption key 1, then decryption key 2 and encryption K3. Here ciphertext means we can send the original data, plain text. It will be check the encryption method, then it will be check the decryption method, and we can check the encryption method. Here we can the original message, it will be converted into encryption method, and it will be converted into decryption method and the encryption method. Original format into coded format, formatted into original format. This one is the ciphertext. Plain text means plain text is equal to, we can use here ciphertext, then here we can use the DK3, it means decryption key 3 and encryption K2, then here we can use the decryption K1. Ciphertext we can use means first we can encrypt, decrypt and encrypt a value. Plain text we can use means first original data we can decrypt, it means coded format, original format and the coded format. This one is the plain text and the ciphertext of the triple DES algorithm. In your encryption, encrypt the plain text blocks using a single DES with the K1, K2, K3. This keys we can use. Now our decrypt output we can steps using the K2. First we can use the encryption, next key 2 we can use the decryption, and key 3 we can use the encryption of the value. The output of the step 3 we can ciphertext. We can decryption on ciphertext is reverse process. Use the first decryption using the key 3, then the encryption with the K2, then finally decrypt the K1, K3, K2, K1. Decryption method we can use the ciphertext. Ciphertext means coded format. Coded format we can send the information. K3, that one is the decryption method. Here we can use the encryption method, and the next we can got the decryption method. Here I will return DED. Here ciphertext EDE method we can used. Due to this design, triple DES algorithm encrypt, decrypt, encrypt process we can use. That one we can call it as a 3DES. It means triple DES algorithm. It is implementation of single DES, double DES and triple DES. 3DS method we can used in a DES algorithm. Second variant of triple DES we can identical accept the K3 is replaced by the K1. Other words we can use the key length of 112 bit. It means 56 of 3 keys we can use, and the 112 bit of information, key length we can used. Then triple DS system are significantly more secure than the single DS, but this is clearly much slower process than the encryption using single DS. But more popular widely we can adopt this triple DS algorithm, but this one also not secure. Why? Because we can check the three key also. We can get the one or two key will be lost, means another key will be opened, the information means that one also information will be leaked. So this one also not secure for the network security. It is a meet in the middle attack. So we can this one also we can cancel this one. Then we can go for the AES algorithm. DES first we can see the DES algorithm. That one is not secure for the network security. Then we can go for the triple DS. In your triple DS algorithm, we can have a single DS, double DS, and triple DS we can use. Single DS means we can use the single key. Double DS means we can use the double key. Triple DS we can use the triple key. But triple key also we can use, means used also we can not the information will be leaked, means it is not used. So this one also we cannot use in network security. So next we can go for the AES algorithm. Next algorithm is AES algorithm. Thank you.